Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Lala Gabor the Beat Stitcher. Come on in, get comfortable, stay a while. Today I am introducing a new series on my channels. It is a mini sewing tutorial. It's not a step-by-step like I normally would do my tutorials. It's definitely more so for people who like shorter, condensed videos just to see the start and finished product. Today we will be reviewing Simplicity S8840. This is the pattern. So I made this top a little bit bigger so that I'd be able to fit it in my current size. But normally I wear size 6 to 8. So as you'll see in the clip I insert on my mannequin, it fits my mannequin a little bit bigger because she is a size 6. And I made it a little bit bigger so I could grow with the top. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and stay tuned. I really enjoyed making this tutorial. It was super fun and very appropriate for the summer season. I did a light linen fabric with this. The floral print just screams summer. And with the pleats in the front of the shirt, it really is compatible for women who are expecting. I just feel like it can camouflage your bump, a slimming to your waistline, and it also just gives you some breathing room if you want to grow into your top. I definitely recommend this pattern. Even if you're not expecting, it definitely is super stylish, and I will be trying this pattern out in different fabrics. I finished off the back with an invisible zipper. And if you stay tuned, I'd like you to see how I put an outfit together to rock this top. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial, and once again, I'll see you later.
And I beat that fast. Create my own style, anything I make. On the way to the top, I don't need a race. My blend be too good, you don't see no cake. I see it, I'll stitch it, no need to wait. On a mission for business like B&J. When I learn it, I'll teach it, I'll lead the way. Just click the sub button, no need to delay.
It's Lala Gabor.